in the Kachiguda railway station. Again, our one more group is coming today. So this is coming from Pondicherry to Kachiguda. This is a special train 17654. So we have the steps from here to go to the front side. So this is the back side actually. This is the back side parking. And there you can see the booking office in the front. That is the booking office in the front. So this is our one bus actually already here. This is a 40 AC. So 2 more coaches are coming right now for the pickup. So this is the 2x2 or 2x2 seating, 40-seater AC. So for this coach, special thing is all the side windows are locked actually. So people can't take, so only AC will work out here. 2x2 AC coach. Why you were 40? You can see the vehicle. So Ashok Leyland 40 AC, this is also. टावर इज द फ्रंट एलिवेशन. आपको जो सामने दिख रहा है टावर, वो जो अपना फ्लैग के साथ, झंडा के साथ, वो जो है सामने का एंट्रेंस है ये काचीगुड़ा स्टेशन का. इज द विशाखापट्टनम ट्रेन है ये.
विशाखापट्टनम महबूबनगर सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 2 पर खड़ी है. ट्रेन नंबर
काचीगुड़ा चित्तूर.
विशाखापट्टनम महबूबनगर सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस ऑन प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 2.
This is the Kachiguda Yeshwantpur. This is the Yeshwantpur Express. Kachiguda Yelahanka Junction 17603 17604. So you can see a lot of people here because all the trains are arriving now only. And now Chengalpattu Kachiguda is coming now. स्पेशली by paying 50 रुपीज, 50 रुपए पे किए तो सर्विस रहता है आपको, बड़े लोगों के लिए किसी को भी. मिनिमम 30 केजेस अलाउ करते हैं इसमें आपको, जो भी लगेज रहेगा.
573001 Kachiguda Medak passenger on platform number 1. Superfast Express రెండు ప్లాట్ఫామ్ పై ఉన్నది. गाड़ी संख्या 1286 विशाखापट्टनम महबूबनगर सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 2 पर खड़ी है. ट्रेन नंबर 12861 विशाखापट्टनम महबूबनगर सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस.
तो ये पहला है सामने का एंट्रेंस काचीगुड़ा का। और ये जो ट्रेन है आपको प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 दैट इज 57031 काचीगुड़ा मेदक।
सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म गाड़ी संख्या 1261 विशाखापट्टनम महबूबनगर सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 2 पर है।
काचीगुड़ा काकीनाडा पोर्ट दिस इज ये काचीगुड़ा काकीनाडा पोर्ट का है। चेंगलपट्टू पुडुचेरी।
किसी घर के अंदर बालक अपाहिज न हो, गंभीर बीमारी का शिकार न हो और गरीब माँ बाप को बहुत बड़े आर्थिक बोझ का संकट बनना न पड़े।
नंबर 1765 चेंगलपट्टू काचीगुड़ा एक्सप्रेस।
So this is how actually Lumini Park in the evening. There is a Martyrs Memorial. You can see the shops, lightings and all. Secretariat building. So full of rush anywhere actually in Hyderabad, weekend actually. See the beautiful of lightings. So this is the entrance of the Lumini Park actually. So when you see here actually you have a lot of food stalls. Here a lot of food stalls we have actually. So when you are entering to the Lumini Park, that is completely in the evening, all food stalls we have surrounding. So this is a snow world if you see actually, because already Hyderabad is full hot actually. So here -5 degrees in our snow world. Snow world. Mobile, if you want to take inside, 50 rupees ticket. That is the counter. Otherwise, you can keep here in the counter. That is the only free, the counter. No need to purchase the ticket if you want to keep in the counter. You can see here. This is the camera counter. So you have the food stalls, the chocolate stall. Very important is in the snow world, those who have asthma or any problem, pregnant women, they are not allowed inside because -5 degrees. Very, very careful you have to be. So these are all the snow world tickets, entrance fee. So if you are coming with the college, it's a 450 rupees entry ticket, and if you are coming with the school, it is 400 rupees entry ticket. But you have to bring your the college or school later compulsory to show them. You can see a lot of actually this is one hotel, but now it is not running here. Lower Tangmand. This is the Tangmand actually, Lower Tangmand. This is the timings. So first show started 11 o'clock means 10:30 they have to be here. Last show 8 means 7:30 they have to be here. So this is our meals, 150 rupees plate meals. But if you want extra meals, 30 rupees we can pay. That is the full meals generally. So this is near the Birla Mandir. It is called Purna Restaurant. This is the number near the Birla Mandir. You can come here if you want to have biryani also. You get here 180 rupees biryani also, chicken biryani. So actually here you can see the Sudsagar restaurant. Beside this, the way to the top actually. In between the other restaurant, the Sri Cheese restaurant, you can see both restaurants. In between we have the road. So that will take you to that four-wheeler. You can see the car is coming. So the four-wheeler autos can go to the Birla Mandir actually. So So this is the Aranya Bhavan, and here that is the hotel actually, the pink color you can see the building. So that is the Astro Hotel. Beside that is the Birla Mandir entrance. So we have all the restaurants here. So this is completely Mithai Bhandar, and here you can see Subsagar. So this one. So there if we go straight, that is the assembly, and here you can see Purna restaurant. This is the restaurant, and here we have the Coimbatore filter coffees and all, and this is the restaurant where you can come and eat all whatever you required, veg and non-veg. And beside this we have the Kamath restaurant, Kamath and Hindu restaurant here. So this is the Kamath restaurant, and this is the Hindu restaurant. And here you can see the Astoria. Beside Astoria we have our Birla Mandir entrance. Okay, today our lunch menu. Our place. Our chapati. Chapati, rice. ठीक है? कुर्मा, ओके, एक है? ओ ये अब पनीर के साथ, अच्छा, रसम, ओ टमाटर पिकल, अच्छा, सांबार, rice, curd. So all we have received here, everything, the menu. इसमें rice है. ये क्या है? Okay. And last year, so NTR Garden actually, if you see 2:30 time actually to 8:30, but now they are saying they are opening at 9 o'clock only. So after 9:30 you can enter here. Entry ticket 20 rupees. So this is for gents, you can see here, this is for the gents, that is for the girls. So girls and boys separately they have to go. This is the exit gate. This is all the Hussain Sagar lake cover. Hyderabad has, you know, we don't have the beaches, so we have only the lake Hussain Sagar, that is a man-made and artificial lake. Very popular of Hyderabad. All the people will come weekends here to entertain, actually with the families and everything. There is the exit gate. So if you go the pyramids, you can see there. That is all the entry tickets you can take inside after going inside. Actually, Salarjung Museum you can see here. Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, 23rd July 1963. Stone laid by. And this is Salarjung 3 actually, Mir Yusuf Ali Khan. So this is the one-man collection of Salarjung 3, the antiques which we see in this Salarjung Museum and National Museum in Hyderabad.